Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the check, act now. First, confirm the payee name matches your bank record and your ID because mismatches cause holds. Next, endorse the back. Sign exactly as the payee line shows and write for deposit only plus your account number. Once done, fill a deposit slip with date, account, and amount and place the check in an envelope or keep it flat for mobile capture. These steps reduce delays and prepare you for the deposit method you'll choose. Now choose how to deposit. Visit a teller when you need help, use an ATM for after hours, or use mobile deposit for speed. If mobile, open your bank app, select deposit, choose account, and photograph the front and the back of the endorsed check. Make sure images are sharp and corners show. If ATM, insert the envelope or follow on-screen prompts and confirm amounts. If teller, hand the check and slip to the cashier, watch them verify, and keep the receipt for your records. Finish by confirming the deposit posted to your account and keeping the receipt or mobile confirmation until funds clear. You should check your balance within 24 to 48 hours. Banks may place holds, especially on large or third-party checks. Record the check number, amount, and date in your ledger or app. If the deposit is rejected or amount differs, contact the bank immediately, provide the check images and your ID, and ask for the reason.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.